This May, Quoc Duy CNC officially joins SFS Vietnam 2026, the international exhibition on woodworking and wood processing machinery in Vietnam. Together with our multi-brand ecosystem, Quoc Duy brings advanced technologies and production solutions for the woodworking and metalworking industries already proven in real manufacturing environments. More than an exhibition, this is an opportunity to connect, collaborate, experience production systems firsthand, exchange ideas with industry experts, and discover the right solution for your business. Don't miss the opportunity to experience SFS Vietnam 2026. The exhibition will take place from May 27th to May 30th, 2026. Quoc Duy CNC. See you at SFS Vietnam 2026.